Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to derive expression for work done in isothermal process. So first we will take one container. In that container, change in volume is dV and initial volume and pressure are P. Initial volume is V1, final volume is V2. So we have to find the small work done first. Small work done will be P into dV. And we know the ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT. From here we will find the value of P. P value is nRT by V, and we will put this value of P in dW. So dW equals to nRT by V into dV. Now students, we have to integrate both sides. So after integrating, we have to put limits of V from V1 to V2, and dW limits will be 0 to W. dW integration will be W and limits will be 0 to W, and dV upon V integration is log V and limits are V1 to V2. Okay, now we have to put limits here. So we will get W minus 0 equals to nRT log V2 upon V1. Now W we have got work done equals to nRT log base E V2 upon V1. Now we know the formula log E base x equals to 2.303 log base 10x. So we have to use this formula. So we will get W equals to 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 upon V1. So this is our final answer. And now we can modify this formula to another formula in terms of pressure. In order to get the formula in terms of pressure, we have to use the condition for isothermal process. For isothermal process, P1 V1 equals to P2 V2, and V1 by V2 or V2 by V1 will be equals to P1 by P2. So W will be equals to 2.303 nRT log P1 upon P2. So this is our final answer. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.